Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Subaru Forester. It is a limited special edition T25. It is 4x4. It has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder twin cam engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 68,977 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away, and it does come with this interior trunk cover, which is removable. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. Sorry, I dropped the key. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Alright, they do go away. This vehicle also comes with 111,081 kilometers. The miles again is 68,977. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I would like to say thank you for the continual support. It really does mean so much to us. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thanks again.